Are you thinking and planning about Uttarakhand's Char Dham Yatra? Do you want to know how much this holy journey will cost? Make sure to watch this video till the end to understand all key details like registration, permits, accommodation, transportation, and meals, alongside an insight into our exclusive 4 Dham Yatra package for 10 nights and 11 days. Hello, travelers. My name is Divyansh, and welcome to your favorite channel, Yatratube. Uttarakhand's Char Dham Yatra is one of the popular and admired pilgrimages of India. From the sacred waters of Yamunotri and Gangotri to the majestic Kedarnath and divine Badrinath, every moment is unforgettable. We have curated an exclusive 10 nights and 11 days package where you can avoid the hassle and focus entirely on your darshan and elevate your spiritual experience. Let's quickly dive into the route plan and itinerary of this Char Dham Yatra. The Yatra begins from Haridwar, where we spend a night and take a dip in the holy Ganga river to mark the beginning of this journey. The next 2 nights will be in Barkot for Yamunotri Dham Darshan. Next 2 nights will be in Uttar Kashi for Gangotri Dham Darshan. The next 2 nights will be in Gupt Kashi for Kedarnath Dham Darshan, and 2 nights for Pandukeshwar for Badrinath Dham Darshan. The last remaining 1 night will be in Rishikesh, which will be the last destination before we finally head back to Haridwar. Let's see what all is included in this exclusive package. Registration and Yatra permits required for this travel. Transportation with experienced driver for 11 days. Hotel bookings for 10 nights. Food or meals which is included in your hotel stays. There are 10 plus sightseeings apart from the already planned Char Dhams that you will cover in this travel. There is live tracking and call support from Yatratube team. Tour guides will be available in premium packages, and there is helicopter booking assistance which is subject to availability. So let's see what is the per person price in this Char Dham Yatra. So we have different categories of packages starting from standard, moving on to deluxe, then premium with helicopter. So we are also giving helicopter booking assistance depending on the availability. Important things to note in this yatra: do not override your driver and always follow his command. As this is a long travel, it is important for the driver to get ample amount of rest. Kindly refrain from pressurizing the driver to drive over his capacity. There is a capacity that he can do, right, in a day, and this is an 11-day tour, so just keep this in mind. Avoid traveling after late evening, that is after 6 to 7 p.m. Which brings down to our third point, that start early in the morning to to avoid getting stuck in traffic, and also so that you can cover all of the sightseeings. If you leave early, you can reach early, so keep that as a priority. Last but not the least, attend all of the briefings that you get by our team and personally me before your travel begins. So guys, I hope that you are now one step closer to your Char Dham Yatra. It is that easy, and this exclusive package can be very comfortable for a travel wherein your family is involved, or in a family where there are senior citizens. We have already started getting queries and bookings are open. You can reach out to us on the contact and email that you find on the screen or in the description. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like and share this video amongst your friends and family. Do go ahead and subscribe to Yatratube. We are coming out with more content and more travel, making it very easy for you sitting at home and planning your travel across India. We will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Har Har Mahadev. You can click above to find our Char Dham series travel, Yamunotri, Gangotri, and upcoming videos on Kedarnath and Badrinath on the screen above.